If you want to share your expertise and you're wondering what on earth could you talk about, what are people searching for? There are two different ways that you can find out what people are searching for so that you can create videos that answer those topics. The first way is called Answer the Public. Now, Answer the Public is a pay-to-play site, but you do get some free credits. You just don't get as expansive as a package. With this, what you're going to do is just type in the topic that you're looking for, that you want to talk about. And it's going to give you the who, what, where, when, how, why questions, the 5 W's, so to speak, questions that people ask about that topic. And then you can just go through those questions and you can answer them in video. The next thing you want to do is go to the search engine inside of YouTube and type in your topic and see what people are searching for under that topic. And then repeat that with TikTok. And that's going to give you a list of things that you could talk about to your audience. And with those in mind, you're going to have plenty to talk about. Now, it's okay to make multiple videos on the same thing because your videos are going to be posted and people are going to see them at different times. If you just posted once about a particular topic, odds are not that many people are going to see it. So even though you feel like you're repeating yourself over and over again, and technically you are, just create new videos on the topic because you're reaching new people that might not have seen the first video. So don't be self-conscious about repeating yourself and talking about the same topic all the time because that's what your topic is.